Hi everyone. Welcome to Inventor's Insight, where we explore the lives of extraordinary individuals and inventions who have left their mark on history. Today, we dive into the wonderful life and inventions of Galileo Galilei. Born on February 15, 1564, in Pisa, Italy, Galileo was the first of 6 children in the Galilei family. His father, Vincenzo Galilei, was a musician and music theorist, while his mother, Giulia Ammannati, came from a well-educated and affluent background. Galileo's early education began in the home, where his father, recognizing his son's potential, provided him with a solid foundation in mathematics and music. The family's financial situation improved when Galileo's father secured a position for him at the Camaldolese monastery in Vallombrosa, where he could receive an education in humanities. In 1581, at the age of 17, Galileo enrolled at the University of Pisa to study medicine. Although his father had hoped he would become a physician, Galileo's true passion lay in mathematics and natural philosophy. During his time at the university, he attended lectures on Aristotle's physics and engaged with the prevailing Aristotelian scholasticism that dominated European intellectual thought. It was during this period that Galileo began to question established ideas and lay the groundwork for his future contributions to science. Upon completing his studies at the University of Pisa in 1585, Galileo faced a period of financial uncertainty. In 1589, he, driven by a passion for mathematics, became a professor of mathematics at the University of Pisa. During this time he laid the foundation for his future work on motion and mechanics. His experiments with inclined planes and falling bodies, conducted from the Leaning Tower of Pisa, were instrumental in formulating the principles of uniform acceleration and the law of inertia. These insights challenged Aristotelian ideas about motion and set the stage for the development of classical mechanics. However, it was Galileo's telescopic observations that catapulted him into the scientific limelight. In 1609, he learned about the invention of the telescope in the Netherlands and immediately recognized its potential for astronomical exploration. Galileo, with his keen technical skills, quickly improved upon the design, producing a telescope with a magnification power previously unheard of. His celestial observations, beginning in 1609, marked a turning point in the history of astronomy. Galileo's telescopic observations of the moon revealed a landscape far more intricate than the smooth, unblemished orb depicted in traditional astronomical texts. The 4 largest moons of Jupiter, now known as the Galilean moons, were another groundbreaking discovery. The presence of these satellites orbiting Jupiter defied the geocentric view of the cosmos, providing strong evidence for the heliocentric model. In 1610, Galileo published his findings in Sidereus Nuncius, Starry Messenger. However, Galileo's support for the heliocentric model, which places the Sun at the center of the solar systems, and not Earth, did not go unnoticed. The Catholic Church, still reeling from the Reformation, viewed Galileo's work with suspicion. In 1616, the Church issued a decree declaring the heliocentric model as contrary to the Bible, and Galileo was ordered not to defend or teach Copernicanism. Despite the ecclesiastical censure, Galileo persisted in his advocacy of heliocentrism. His 1632 work, Dialogue Concerning the Two Chief World Systems, presented arguments for the heliocentric model, placing him in direct confrontation with the Church. In 1633, Galileo was summoned by the Roman Catholic Inquisition and faced charges of heresy. Faced with the threat of torture, Galileo recanted his views and spent the remainder of his life under house arrest. While confined to his home, Galileo continued his scientific inquiries. He explored the properties of pendulums, made advancements in the study of materials, and developed the concept of relativity in motion. Despite his physical constraints, Galileo's intellectual pursuits flourished, and his work continued to influence the scientific community. Galileo Galilei passed away on January 8, 1642, but his legacy endured. In the centuries that followed, his ideas gained widespread acceptance, and the scientific revolution he helped ignite transformed the way humanity perceived the universe. In 1992, almost 360 years after Galileo's trial, the Catholic Church officially acknowledged its error, expressing regret for the treatment of the renowned scientist. Galileo's life and inventions represent a triumph of human curiosity and resilience in the face of adversity. Galileo Galilei, a visionary ahead of his time, remains an enduring symbol of the pursuit of knowledge and the courage to challenge established dogmas. Thank you all for watching this video about the wonderful life and inventions of Galileo Galilei, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Inventor's Insight if you like this video.